Leaves can sometimes be a little tricky, so I thought I would show you an easy way to do a leaf. Okay, and I'm just using the Lunar blender. It's made by Princeton. It has a rounded tip, so it's really nice, fits into the shape of the leaf. And then this one also has a little bit of a bristle hair mixed in with the soft hair, so you can get a really nice whimsical little stroke. I'm using a couple different colors. I have basically a dark green, an evergreen, and then I also have just a contrasting. So I've got some margarita. I wet the brush first, tap off the excess water, just because I don't want it to thin the paint. And I'm basically going to pull towards that outside edge like this and towards that tip of the leaf. Okay, so right in here, just coming down, nice little curve following the shape. Okay, same thing on the other side. So if you imagine the way the leaf grows, we've got some veins that'll come out like this and then towards the tip. So we're just going to take that brush like this, and I'm going to pull towards the edge of that leaf like that. Okay, so all the strokes go towards the tip. Nice little curve. So the next step is we're just going to let that dry for a minute, and then we're going to actually add some highlights. Okay, so you can use sort of an in-between green if you like, or you can jump straight into the margarita. Nice bright colors like this, and I'm just adding a nice little highlight. Okay, so with the Lunar blender, the paint does skip, so you get a nice kind of softer edge. Okay, and again, I'm following that same direction. So all the strokes kind of start sort of from the center, pulling outwards and kind of angled down towards the tip. Okay, and then the other side is going to be very similar, just kind of almost starting from that center vein. Okay, ending on the tip. So we've got some nice little highlights, and it almost looks like we have some little veins. And then you can go even brighter, and each time that you do this, it covers a little bit less area. Okay, so you get a nice little highlight right in that center, so it looks maybe a little bit more rounded. We've got a nice little shadow along the outside edge and in the center, so our leaf looks really nice and rounded with just a couple strokes. Okay, and then you can take just even a liner brush. I've got a one liner here. Okay, and with those liner brushes, you want to add some water to your paint so that it flows off your brush quite easily. And you can add that little stem like this and those little veins. Okay, so you want to sort of follow the shape of that leaf when you're putting in those veins. And I usually make it really nice and bright. Okay, and then you can add a couple little swirls. Again, when you do swirls, you basically don't think too much, to just do them nice and quick, and just kind of adds to your leaf, like so.